You need to know whether someone has an outstanding warrant. Maybe someone in your life, maybe a person you're considering doing business with, maybe someone you have civil litigation against. Warrants are public information in most jurisdictions, but the access procedures vary. Here's how to check. I'm with peoplelocatorskiptracing.com, and we handle warrant searches as part of broader investigations. Here's the framework. County sheriff's offices typically maintain online warrant databases for warrants issued in their county. Most large counties have searchable websites listing active warrants by name. Search the counties where the person has lived or has had legal involvement. Court clerk's offices maintain bench warrants for failures to appear in pending cases. These warrants may not appear in sheriff's databases but are findable through court records. State warrant databases exist in many states. Texas has its public warrant database, Florida maintains a statewide warrants list, and other states have similar resources. Coverage and accessibility vary by state. Federal warrants are different. The U.S. Marshal Service handles federal fugitive warrants, and a small subset are publicly listed on the Marshal's Most Wanted page or the FBI's Wanted list. Most federal warrants are not public until the person is in custody. Local police departments sometimes publish warrant lists for their jurisdictions, particularly for traffic and minor offenses. Multi-state warrant databases aggregate available information but are imperfect. Coverage gaps are real, and an absence of results doesn't necessarily mean no warrant exists. Bail bond companies and bondsmen often have access to warrant databases for legitimate purposes. While they don't share information with random callers, they can sometimes verify whether a particular person has bond posted. For active fugitive cases, the FBI's Most Wanted, the U.S. Marshal's Most Wanted, and various state Most Wanted lists publish photos and warrant information. The court hearing the underlying case is the authoritative source. A clerk's office can confirm whether a defendant has an active warrant, though they may not provide details over the phone. A criminal records check that includes pending charges sometimes reveals warrants associated with active cases. For people who are wanted and might come to your home or business, contacting law enforcement directly is appropriate. They can confirm the warrant and respond if appropriate. For professional background search and skip tracing services, visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. 20 years of helping clients verify the legal status of the people they're dealing with.